In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on filter keys on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Go ahead and select that. Select accessibility on the left panel, and then on the right side, scroll down underneath interaction and select keyboard. And then underneath the sticky filter and toggle key section, toggle the filter key to the on position by clicking side here one time. You can select it to also open up additional options and settings, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.